Zengia. Now this is, let me pull this out here. Now this is what appears to look very similar to an old-time camera with a shutter button and a lens. Is actually a wireless charger for your phone. So you can see here it has the rubber stand, which is also a magnet. So this supports magnetic wireless charging at 15 watts for iPhones, but it also does charge other Qi wireless charging phones. And if you have a look at the colors, it's very nice. Actually, which shows you the remaining percent. Okay, so also in the box you get this nice little lanyard. So also in the box you get the lanyard, and you also get this really nice dual purpose charger. If you watch my everyday carry video, you'll notice that I carried a similar looking cable. This one here is from Anker, and it has a lightning micro USB and a USB-C and then a USB output. So this kind of cable is very handy for charging with this device here. So you plug that in, and then you plug your device you want to charge in the top here. And let's say that is an iPhone. So plug that in, and you see I get the charging right away. So this is really handy for traveling. An old phone, you can charge with the micro USB. Android phone, you plug in the USB-C, and then you can help them charge that way. The other port here is a USB-C port, and that is, I believe that's an in and an out port. So if you plug another cable, USB-C cable there, you can charge a USB-C device. And then, of course, plugging that device into the wall outlet charges this actual power bank. So let's talk a little bit about this cable. This cable is included in the box, and it's a USB-C to USB-A port there, and it's a USB-C to C as well. So what that means is if you plug one end here, so if you plug one end here and then the other end here, you'll see that it charges the device. So this does support multi-device output charging. So if I put my iPhone here, so that brings up a point. You'll notice that you didn't start charging right away. And that is because even though the light is on, you do have to press the button here to activate the wireless charging. What is it? So as you can see, pressing that button activates the wireless charging. Now talking about this here is quite similar to the Apple Power battery bank. You can see that it attaches there by a magnet, and it's actually quite comfortable to hold in your hand while you can still use your phone and have this charging at the same time. In my experience of testing this for the last couple of weeks, it's actually been very comfortable. It doesn't get too warm, so it's not uncomfortably warm. It's not too thick either, so it actually makes your phone quite comfortable to hold. The other thing is that the magnet is quite strong. You can see that it's not falling off there, and you don't have to worry about it falling off. Now taking it off is quite easy. You just get your finger on the edge and pull it off. Okay, so I have the lanyard attached now, so let's put that on there and then just show you that it actually supports the weight of the phone. Probably wouldn't walk around with it hanging like this. I would definitely only use it holding it in my hand. The gold screen is quite nice, and if you just press that and turn it on. Probably one thing I would say is that it's not super bright. It's a little bit, it looks like it's about 50% brightness. So, you know, in some sunlight like that, the reflection can make it a little hard to read, but if you sort of cover it with your hand, it's easy to read when you need to see how much of a percent is left. All right, so here's a little bit of a scenario. Say you are on the train or traveling, about to get on a plane or something. You have your phone, some headphones, and a switch, and you want to charge all of them at the same time because the batteries are getting a bit low. So let's start with the USB-C to USB-C here. That plugs in one end there and in there. You can see I have 52% left and it is charging. So my phone needs to charge, just pop it on there and press the power button to activate the charge. And now the Nintendo Switch, plug that in here, and then plug that in. Alright. So I have the Nintendo Switch is charging, this is charging, and this is charging. So that's it, a quick hands-on and review of the new Zenjo SuperMini GO. It's my favorite current power bank that I've reviewed so far, and I think it will make an absolutely perfect travel companion for everyday or internationally. Be sure to leave a comment below what is your favorite color of the 3 colors available, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.